The nature of reality and the role of consciousness in shaping it have been subjects of profound philosophical, scientific, and spiritual inquiry. Recent discussions and theories propose that what we perceive as reality might be fundamentally tied to our consciousness, raising intriguing questions about the true nature of existence. If our consciousness indeed creates the realities we perceive, whether we are dreaming or awake, it follows that the study of the universe, multiverses, and quantum physics might be rendered meaningless. The physical world and its intricate laws as perceived through our senses could be constructs of our minds, existing only because we observe them. This perspective aligns with philosophical views, such as phenomenalism, which suggests that physical objects exist only as perceptual phenomena within our minds. It also resonates with the simulation hypothesis, which proposes that our reality might be a sophisticated simulation created by a higher consciousness. If these views hold true, then the vast expanse of the universe, the complexities of quantum mechanics, and the very fabric of space-time could be mere products of our consciousness. This leads us to consider the philosophical stance of Solipsism, which posits that only one's own mind is sure to exist. According to Solipsism, external reality and other minds cannot be known and might not exist outside one's own consciousness. This perspective raises profound questions about the nature of other consciousnesses. If there are indeed other consciousnesses, are they also perpetual? And if consciousness is eternal, what role does a creator or a god play in this framework? Do we even need to invoke a divine entity if consciousness itself is perpetual, having always existed and always will? Near-death experiences, or NDEs, and dreams provide further support for these notions. NDEs often evoke profound feelings of peace and encounters with higher powers, which some interpret as evidence of an afterlife. Others, however, suggest that these experiences are simply brain-generated phenomena. Similarly, in dreams, our minds create vivid and immersive worlds that feel as real as waking life. This raises the possibility that both dreams and waking reality are constructs of our consciousness. Scientific research continues to explore these profound questions. Dr. Henry Stapp, a theoretical physicist at the University of California's Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory, has been a prominent figure in this field. He specializes in the mathematical and logical foundations of quantum mechanics and has published over 300 scientific articles on foundational issues. Dr. Stapp's work has focused on the implications of quantum mechanics for consciousness and free will. He argues that quantum wave functions collapse only when they interact with consciousness, suggesting that our conscious minds select one among the alternative quantum possibilities. This hypothesis differs from other theories, such as those of Penrose and Hameroff, which propose quantum computing in brain neurons. Donald Hoffman, a cognitive scientist and professor at UC Irvine, posits that consciousness shapes reality rather than the other way around. He states that space-time theory is doomed because space-time is not fundamental, but consciousness is. In his TED Talk, "Do we see reality as it is?" Hoffman explains that our perceptions are shaped by evolutionary pressures to ensure survival, not to depict the truth. He suggests that reality is constructed by conscious agents and their interactions. If the external world is indeed a construct of our consciousness, then the pursuit of understanding the universe and its laws might be an exercise in exploring the workings of our own minds. The study of quantum physics, multiverses, and the cosmos could be seen as a journey inward rather than outward. If solipsism holds true, it might also imply that discussions about a creator or God become less relevant if consciousness itself is the fundamental and perpetual reality. In conclusion, the idea that our consciousness creates the reality we perceive challenges traditional views and opens up new avenues for understanding existence. If this perspective is true, it suggests that the external world is not an independent entity, but a product of our consciousness. This realization invites us to reconsider the nature of our studies and explorations, recognizing that they may ultimately be reflections of our own minds. Furthermore, it raises profound questions about the existence of other consciousnesses, and the necessity of a divine creator, suggesting that perpetual consciousness itself might be the ultimate reality. Consequently, it may be pointless to study our physical world through quantum mechanics theories about the universe, the multiverse, and other dimensional realities, as they are possibly constructs of our consciousness. Please subscribe to our channel, press the thumbs up icon, and select notification of new videos. Please comment on where you are watching from, what kind of videos you would like to see, and what you think about this subject. Share this video to see what your friends and family think.